In order to manage people and users in Passport Assets, you'll first need to be logged in as an administrator. Next, you'll come down to the admin folder in the folder tree and expand it, then expand the users folder, and then select the subfolder for users. Once in the users screen, on the right side, you'll see all the information for all the people that have been added into the Passport system. To view additional attributes, what you'll do is come up to the plus button, click on that, and then expand the columns option, and here you'll be able to check the boxes for the additional information you want to view on this screen. In order to filter data, you can come up to the text box underneath the column header, type in what you want to filter for, and then click the filter button to apply the filter that you'll need. You'll also have the ability to filter multiple data columns in order to get the very specific information that you're looking for. You can also sort the data by any of these column headers by simply left-clicking on the column itself and dragging that up to the top. And now we can see that the information here has been sorted, in this case by last name. If you need to export any of this data, you can do so by clicking on the export links on the top right to export it to either Microsoft Excel, a PDF file, CSV, or Microsoft Word. In order to add a new person into the system, come over to the green plus button next to Add New Person and click on that. And first start by adding the person code, first and last name. Once you've added the person code as well as the first and last name, if you would like to make this person a user of the system, you'll need to check the checkbox to the right. The difference between a user and a person is that a user will have access to log into the system, whereas a person can have assets checked out to him or her but will not be able to log into the system. If you are making this person a user, you'll need to click on the User Info tab and then assign this user a username and password. Once you've done that, you'll also need to apply a security group for that user to specify what they're allowed to do within the system. Once you have all the information saved, click the Insert button, and that will add the user into the system. And finally, if you need to deactivate a person or a user, simply filter or find that person in the list, and then choose the Deactivate Selected Persons button on the right. Once you get the warning asking if you want to delete this item, click OK, and that person will then be removed from the system.